In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp as a student or teacher. By the end, you'll have a clean structure that keeps your classes and exams organized in one place, so you can focus on studying or teaching instead of chasing deadlines. First, log into ClickUp and open your workspace. Think of the workspace as your home base. If you have multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the one you want to use for school, so everything stays together and easy to find. Next, create a dedicated space for school. In the left sidebar, click Spaces, then select the option for a new space. Give it a clear name like School, Classes, or Academics. A clear name makes it easy to search for later and keeps your sidebar tidy. This space is where all your lists and tasks for school will live, so it's worth taking a moment to make it obvious and consistent. Inside that space, create lists for each subject you're handling. Go ahead and add math, science, English, and history. Lists act like folders for related tasks, so each subject gets its own home. If you have more subjects, keep the naming consistent so you can scan them at a glance. This also makes it simple to filter or sort later if you want to see everything for a single class. Now create 2 additional lists dedicated to exams. Name one midterm exams and the other final exams. Separating midterms and finals into their own lists gives you a focused view of high-stakes tasks and helps reduce clutter in your subject lists. It also makes it easier to plan your study schedule or lesson reviews around the big dates. Inside each exam list, add tasks for the specific exams you'll take or manage. For example, in the midterm exams list, create tasks like midterm, math, and midterm science. In the final exams list, add tasks like final, English, and final history. Use a consistent naming format so tasks sort nicely and remain easy to scan. Once those tasks are created, set a due date for each one based on your syllabus or school calendar. Due dates are incredibly helpful because they surface your exams in ClickUp's calendar and ensure you can see what's coming up next. If you already know the exam time, you can include that as part of the due date to keep your timeline precise. And that's how you set up ClickUp as a student or teacher. Quick and easy, and it sets you up for a stress-free term. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical guides.